Everyone repeats the headline. Almost nobody reads the report. Breaking news, crisis! Social Security running out of money? The report shows the trust fund depleting by 2035. What they won't say is the truth about the cuts ahead. What you need to know.
Every day, people who are paid to tell you the truth choose not to. Welcome to Unmasked. We ask the questions, they won't. What drives the media narrative? Who funds the policy? And what myths are being sold as economic fact? Tonight, we look at what the data actually says and what it doesn't. This is an autopsy of the system. Act 1, the Social Security myth, a masterclass in narrative control. The common refrain, Social Security is going bankrupt. But the SSA and CBO records tell a different story. Depletion is not insolvency. When the trust fund depletes, revenue continues. Benefits would scale to 80%, not zero. Bankrupt is a political word, not a mathematical one. So who benefits from the fear? The records point to privatization pushes and benefit cut proposals. The myth serves the agenda. If they'll let that myth run for decades, what else are they letting run? Let's look at the infrastructure of the narrative. Act 2, systems and incentives, how the machine maintains its shape. Structural media ownership concentration means access journalism often protects sources over stories. Engagement models favor friction over fact. Take the policy record, look at the NDAA Section 219. The dollar figures and roll call votes are public record. CRSA data and campaign finance records provide the signature. We don't claim motive, we simply present the record. You decide what it means. Act 3, the concealment playbook, the institutional behavioral signature. From the Epstein network to institutional cover-ups, the mechanisms are the same. Knowledge suppression, institutional capture, and complexity manufacture. Contrast the headlines with the data. DOJ records show stranger kidnapping is statistically rare. Myths persist because they exploit real fear. Emotional myths distract from documented institutional cases. We protect the truth by separating evidence from exploitation. Act 4, analysis, the structural question. We analyze the opposition's response. Missed moments and a lack of proactive communication suggest a deeper systemic inertia. Does any party truly serve the public interest? The legislative record on both sides shows a pattern of structural reward over public outcome. This isn't propaganda, it's an autopsy. The facts are the horror. Draw your own conclusions from the record. Narratives are protected for political and financial reasons. Myths serve as a firewall for documented, provable problems. We stand on the record. These are the sources. History is the architecture of the present. Study the blueprint. What they won't say. What you need to know. I'm The Unheard. Thank you for watching. Read the companion essay on the Substack. Support the investigation on Patreon. See you in the next autopsy.